I'm going to show you exactly how I plan to make $5,000 online as a complete beginner, and I challenge you to follow along and see if you can do it too. Making money online has become increasingly accessible, with new opportunities emerging every day, and it's an exciting time to get started. Many beginners face significant challenges when trying to earn money online, such as lack of knowledge or resources. They often struggle to find the right information, and even when they do, they might not know how to apply it effectively. This can lead to frustration and disappointment, causing some to give up before they even get started. The lack of guidance and support can make it difficult for beginners to navigate the online landscape and find their footing. Additionally, the abundance of misinformation and scams can make it hard to discern what works and what doesn't, leading to wasted time and effort. There are several methods to make $5,000 online, but one effective strategy for beginners is to focus on high-demand skills like content creation or social media management. By leveraging these skills, beginners can offer services to clients and build a stable income stream. Another approach is to utilize online platforms that connect buyers with sellers, providing a ready-made marketplace for beginners to get started. Affiliate marketing is also a viable option, as it allows individuals to promote products and earn commissions without needing to create their own products. This strategy works because it plays to the strengths of beginners, who often have a fresh perspective and are eager to learn. By focusing on in-demand skills and leveraging online platforms, beginners can quickly build momentum and start earning money. The key is to be consistent and persistent, continually learning and improving to stay ahead of the curve. As beginners gain more experience, they can expand their offerings and increase their earnings, eventually reaching the $5,000 milestone. The most impactful tip for making $5,000 online is to identify a specific niche or area of expertise and dominate it. By becoming an authority in a particular field, individuals can attract high-paying clients and build a reputation that opens doors to new opportunities. This approach works because it allows individuals to stand out in a crowded market and demonstrate their value to potential clients. By focusing on a specific niche, individuals can create a unique selling proposition that sets them apart from others and establishes them as a go-to expert. Reaching the $5,000 milestone requires a combination of the right strategy, persistence, and dedication. By following the approaches outlined and staying committed to their goals, beginners can overcome the common challenges and achieve success. The key is to stay focused and motivated, continually learning and adapting to the ever-changing online landscape. If you've made it this far, I'd love to hear your thoughts on making $5,000 online as a beginner. Leave a comment below and share your experiences or tips for getting started. Don't forget to subscribe for more valuable content and insights on how to achieve your online goals.